Hi, I'm Sandra, Director of Brands at High Road Craft Ice Cream. There are so many perks to my job, but one thing for sure, you learn pretty quickly how creative you can be with ice cream. If you're like me, you enjoy a little bit of sneakies during the week. Let's say we're taking the high road to Lima, Peru. Pisco is the drink of Peru. It is made of grapes and distilled into a high-proof liqueur. It's a lot like vodka, and when you put it all together to make a Pisco Sour, it's an amazing journey to the home of Incas. My mother is Peruvian, so I've had my share of Pisco Sours. I can't wait to show you my version using vanilla bean high road ice cream. So you start with a shot of Pisco.
Go for a little more.
More?
Yeah, a little more, Sam.
I guess I'm not so sneaky after all. You add a little bit of simple sugars. Some of you out there know exactly what this is. Nice. And you cut a little bit of fresh lime. Pour that in there, squeeze so nicely, and you shake it up. Alrighty then. Now we're gonna go ahead and scoop a nice, perfectly portioned scoop of vanilla ice cream. And you pour. And a lot of times, a perfect garnish for your Pisco Sour is a little bit of cinnamon. And there you have my version of a high road ice cream Pisco Sour. Mira que bonita, aquí está su Pisco Sour. Thank you.
High Road.